What is up, guys? This is Bright Data Analytics here. So today we want to show how can we deduce age given that we have a birth date column or date of birth column. So from this data set that I have here, it's a customer sales data set with the date of birth column. So we want to deduce the age of the customer from the birth date. So how do we do it? So it's pretty simple. We click on transform data, then we click transform data from here. Then once we are here, we go to the birth date column. Then we come on end column. Then we click on date here. Then we click age. Once you click age here, as you can see, we now have a new column called age from this birth date. It's a new column that we've deduced from this date of birth here, and it is at the end here. But our age is not in years, it's in duration. But we want our age in years as normally we want it to be. So how do we then get age in years here? So it's basically we come to transform here, then we click on duration, then we choose total years. And as you can see now, our age is now in years, although it is in decimal format. So age is usually a whole number, so we need to convert it to be a whole number. So to convert our age to be in whole number form, we then come here on rounding and choose either we want it to round it up or want to round it down. So I'll click round down. So we now have our age in form of a whole number. So that was it, guys. That is how you transform, or that is how you can deduce the number of years from a date of birth column. Thank you so much for watching.